Put garlic under your pillow and see what happens. Some of you may have heard about this health benefit. Putting garlic under your pillow will guarantee you a good night's sleep. Who would not want to sleep like a baby every night? Especially with a lot of us having to get up early every morning to go to work or school. Not having a good sleep can be annoying, and it makes you tired the next day because you won't sleep well throughout the night. Some people put garlic under their pillow and they see results of helping them sleep better at night. We all know the benefit of garlic. Garlic is one of the most common ingredients in the world today. Apart from adding garlic to food, garlic has a medicinal property. The healing power of garlic is well known throughout the world. This is what happens when you eat garlic on empty stomach in the morning before breakfast. 1. Garlic helps to fight antibacterial and virus in your body. Garlic helps in reducing weight. Garlic helps in treating skin infection like ringworm. Garlic protects our heart against heart attack. Eating raw garlic can prevent cancer. Eating garlic can reduce high blood pressure. How to prepare it? Cut your garlic into small pieces. Add honey to it. Consume it on empty stomach before breakfast. Eat garlic every day for best results. If you know this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to see. Subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Bye for now.